What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do another experiment over the test fender. We're going to spray some Colorshift Pearl, Land of the Rising Sun. It's a pearl from Eye Candy Pigments. Right now I'll show it to you guys, but before I do, let me go ahead and flip the camera. Okay, so this is a test fender. We sprayed several different colors so we can add some ghost pearl over it. It's already sanded down, so before we continue with the pearls, I'm going to go ahead and add some black base coat. This is the RUSTOLEUM 2X paint and primer, and in color black. So let's go ahead and just do that. Alright, so while that dries, let me go ahead and show you guys the pearl. So this here is from Eye Candy Pigments. This jar right here is a 25-gram jar, and the color is Land of Rising Sun. So this is a Colorshift Pearl, and you guys can find these at eyecandypigments.com or check out their social media as well at Eye Candy Pigments. But what I'm going to do, right here I have, this is the sample pack, which you can also find at Eye Candy Pigments, which comes in 27 different colors of Colorshift pearls. And I went ahead and pulled out the Land of Rising Sun, which is this. These packs are 1 gram samples. So you have right here 27 different colored grams right here of Colorshift pearls. And they're all very, very nice, which we're slowly trying like each one. But for today's video, we're going to go ahead and try Land of the Rising Sun. Okay, so first we're going to do is mix up the clear coat. The clear coat that I'm using is the Besney. This is a urethane high solids clear coat, which mixes on a 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener or activator, and I'm using the medium speed. So one thing I've gotten comments was that this clear coat is out of stock. I have the link in the description. Just keep an eye out. I can't promise you'll receive it at the same price that I did. I got mine at $61, but supply and demand. So just keep an eye out, and I'm going to go ahead and just start off by mixing it. So for the clear coat, I'm mixing 120 milliliters, which kind of equals to 4 ounces of clear coat. And for the hardener, I'm adding another 30 milliliters, which is another ounce. So it'll be a total of 5 ounces or 150 milliliters. Go ahead and give that a mix. And now we'll go ahead and add the gram of Land of Rising Sun. Okay, so I got something pretty small, but very, very cool. Check this out. This is I guess something for coffees or like a latte mixer for the froth or something. But check this out. So here's the color, and just put it in here and just push it. Check how awesome just it mixes up the paint. Right. And just take it out of there. You can spray it with just dip it in acetone, or just spray it with some cleaner like carburetor cleaner or something like that. Awesome. So here's the color. Well, here's the color. Right now I'll just get a strainer and put it in the cup. This is the spray gun that I use. It's the Spectrum. It's a high transfer efficiency, and this one has the 1.3 tip. Now on the bottom I have the 3M airflow control valve, and I have it set at 28 psi with about 2.5 turns of fluid. Alright guys, so I'm done spraying the Land of Rising Sun, and I took it out into the sun so that we could see it like really nice and the effect as well. So I set it next to the last fender we did, which was the Sumo Wrestler, and they're both color shift. And let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'll show you guys first the Land of Rising Sun, and then we'll pan out and see both of them together and see if you can spot the difference or which one looks best to you guys. So let's go ahead and look at it. Alright, so here is Land of Rising Sun, or Land of the Rising Sun. And I don't know what color you guys see first, but as we walk a little bit more this way, we can see there's this orange, I'm gonna say, that comes out. So definitely, like, the color shift is like there. What color is more prominent? I mean, it doesn't exactly look purple. It does look purplish, but it kind of looks more like in the maroon color. And then when we move off to a side, it kind of looks orange-ish or so. But now, so you see? So now, let me show you guys the Sumo Wrestler. Alright, so this one, we could tell that this is purple. It starts off with purple, and then when we move, we also kind of get this orange effect. If we look at both of them together, alright, so the difference between them two, I know it was just 1 gram that I sprayed over the fender, but over there, like in that little corner, you see how it kind of like the purplish like transitions over to like this brownish bronze orange almost. And this one kind of looks like purple maroonish to kind of also like an orange to maroon, I'm gonna say. And then this one switches from a purple to a bronze. They're very, very, very similar colors, like set, like both like that. Very similar colors. Right here you can see how it is purple, and that one's more like a maroon. But this here is the Sumo Wrestler. That's the Sumo Wrestler. And this one is the one we just did right now, which is the Land of the Rising Sun. They have similar colors, but let me know in the comments. We can definitely see the color effect, the color change, the color shift. But do you see the difference? And if so, which one would you choose? Like right here, we see right here on the top in the corner, which kind of turns purple. And right here, you guys choose. I'm gonna leave it at that. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. Right there it was next to the Sumo Wrestler, which is also a color shift pearl. And like I said on the last video, they are very similar colors, and seeing them side by side so you guys can compare, they look very similar. The tint or the hue like between the two is very minimal difference, but you know, they're both like very nice colors. The color shift is definitely there. It's up to you guys. Leave me a comment which one looks best. But other than that, guys, I'll leave the links to where you guys can find these color shifts or more. As I said, there's also the sample pack, which comes with 27 different samples of different color shift pearls. So you guys might want to check those out too. And just subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep on uploading more color shift. These two, I made them kind of back to back so we can compare. I almost couldn't find the difference, but there's many other colors which are definitely different. But I'll continue experimenting with these fenders. Just subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. And that's it. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out.